This is a guide to the cleaning, care, and maintenance of the SMI cold therapy wraps. So first thing to highlight is gel bags are in this knee wrap. They're always going to be protected by this antimicrobial liner. For example, if the wrap were to drop on the floor, the gel bags would effectively remain clean behind this barrier because no strike through is allowed, and also there is the antimicrobial agent that's going to be effective throughout an entire rehab. In other words, even through washing over and over again, that antimicrobial agent is going to be able to effectively keep everything clean. Now, say I was going to use this and let a friend see, how cool it is, let them borrow this. Well, we can use any hospital approved or household wipe, spray, just to wipe down the outside of the gel bag. Same goes for the actual gel pouch. So we can use a wipe on the back, on the inside of the gel pouch, on the outside, even on the straps. We recommend hand washing frequently, especially if this is going to be used all the time. So that would be a mild detergent, a dishwasher type of soap, or even regular hand soap. Lukewarm water, and we're going to, just rub the soap along the entire wrap, and we're going to just kind of go like this and get it nice and sudsy. Rinse it off really well. We're going to want to wring it, get all the excess water out, and hang it to dry. We recommend not placing in a dryer, as lint likes to get in contact with the Velcro tabs. When it comes to protecting the Velcro tabs against any pet hair, again, lint from getting into contact, we recommend taking the strap where the hook is and folding it down onto the back of itself. It's also going to keep the strap from sticking to itself as well and be a lot easier for placing on. So again, we're just going to fold them up like this. Make sure that these are pressed down so that when we hang it, it's going to be able to remain effective. The gel bags are 100% non-toxic, and the wrap is 100% latex free, as are the gel bags. Very easy to contact us on the information on our website for extra gel bags, other body site specific wraps, or for any general questions that you have that we haven't covered in any of the videos that are on our site right now.